In this video, we will talk about the various IDE options for Node.js and install Visual Studio Code. Please watch my video, What is Node.js, to understand the basic concepts of Node. Installing Node.js to learn how to install Node on your machine, and Node Version Manager or NVM to learn how to manage multiple Node versions on your machine. I have the links in the description below. Using an IDE makes it very easy to develop Node projects. There are several options out there like IntelliJ IDEA, Visual Studio Code, Brackets, Atom, Sublime Text, Cloud9, a browser-based IDE, Eclipse, etc., and the list goes on. You can use any one of these you like. However, I like Visual Studio Code. There is no free version or professional version for this. It is absolutely free for everyone, and it's very powerful. I'm on a Mac now. I will install it here, but installing it on other operating systems is equally easy. So let's Google Visual Studio Code and go to the download link. Here we have installers for Windows, Linux-based systems, and Mac. The installs are very simple. For Windows, it's an exe. You can also download it as a zip system installer. For Linux, you have the Debian package or RPM. I'm on a Mac, so let me click on this link for Mac. The download is complete. Let me click the downloaded zip file. It is unzipping it. In the unzip, I see the application. Let me double click it, and it opens up Visual Studio Code. It's as simple as this. On my Mac, I generally like to keep my applications together, so let me drag it to the applications node, and now I can easily search for it and get it from my applications on the Mac. In this video, we installed Node.js as well as talked about the various IDE options for Node. Thanks for watching.